Hey guys, showing you this Allswifit women's slip-on walking shoes. So can be used for running, they are comfortable, tennis breathable, non-slip, athletic, gym workout, cross-training shoes. So let's just open the box, the nice pack, and you can see the first impression is good, is easy to put in on and off your feet, and it's a very soft and cushion the base. So you can see from the side it's an extra cushion here. So the laces and everything is also fine. The colors combination and the build quality is good. It's a reinforced stitching with a tassel top in the bottom. You can see it here. So it's very comfortable and resilient shoes as I can feel. So this will have a reinforced heel with a breathable mesh upper, X-shaped TPU torsion plate in the bottom. Very comfortable and a nice looking walking shoes.